Hot chocolate, we got popcorn, we got the esquites like corn in a cup, and then we got candy bars. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate, you got it, man. Yes, sir.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi, how are you?
I was asking your son how long it take you guys to put this stuff up.
About 2 months.
2 months.
We start the first weekend of October and we finish the week of Thanksgiving.
I know you guys do this every year, because every year we pass here, you guys got this up.
We've been doing it for 30 years.
Wow.
30 years, yeah. Well, of course, not this big. We started little. I just actually posted something on our Instagram. We started when they were young. I just put 2 strands of lights on around my house, and every year I just started adding. As they got bigger, we started doing more and more, and it evolved into this.
Yeah, we've lived in Fontana for 32 years, so we probably have been seeing it that long.
Oh, okay.
Growing.
Yeah, that's great. I'm glad they come. That's why we do it, for people to enjoy and Christmas spirit and have fun.
Yeah, good.
I like the letters to Santa for the kids. I like that.
Yeah, they love it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
God bless you guys. Have a good night.
Thank you. taste when the kids do this?
Well, that's why I got my fish in there. They want.
He bought his fish and he fried it.
They don't want to buy them.
Joshua wants a tail. And so I'm going to get a tail and Joe's going to get 2 heads.
And if you tell them, hey, buy some fish so you can cook. No. But they want to eat it. I was telling my kids, they're itchy.
Them stingy, huh? You know what, Daddy? You've been on a warpath every video lately. Who hurt you? Who hurt you, babe?
Who hurt me? I'm just stating the fact.
The facts. Okay. Yeah. Let me move before he spatter my lens. Okay, guys, Joe's fish is ready, so he ain't got time for us. So he gonna wrap up his show.
Okay, guys, thank you guys for subscribing, like, share,
Leave me a comment.
and leave a comment, and check out my Cash App right down at the bottom.
What do you always tell them? Without them.
Without them folks, I can't do it.
So without you.
Without you guys, I can't get a Cash App. So thank you.
God, stop, Joe. Bye.